world of plants. We share our planet Earth with plants and animals. Plants need air, water, and sunlight to live and grow, just like we do too. We must grow more plants. Big trees, small trees. There are different kinds of plants. We must take care, good care of plants and trees. Different type of plants. There are trees, shrubs, clambers, herbs, creepers. Tree. This is biggest type of plants on earth. Tree have a very strong stem which is called a trunk. A tree has many branches with leaves on them. A tree bears fruits. A tree has many branches with the leaves on them, and a tree is a very useful for us. It gives us fruits to eat and shadow that we sit under on the hot summer day. Clambers. Some plants have weak stem, hence they clamp on other plants for support. They are called clambers. That is an example of money plant. Green peas and grapevine are clambers. Clambers. These are weak plants which cannot stand on their own, so they need to clamp around strong plants for support and to grow. Herbs. Plants with a soft green stem are called herbs. Example, grasses, mint and coriander are herbs. Shrubs. A shrub is a plant which is smaller and weaker than a tree. It too has stem. The rose bushes is an example of shrub. Be careful when you pluck a rose from a rose plant. The stem has thorn on it. Some plants with weak stem grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. Parts of the plant. Main parts of the plant are roots, stem, leaf, flower. Root holds the plants on the ground. Stem gives support to plant. Then leaf makes food for plant. And that is the last, flower. Flower what I have a seed or I turn into a fruit with the seed. Root we grow below the ground. We bring water and nutrition for the plant from the soil. We hold the plant in a place. I grow above the ground. Stem. I support the plant. I pass on the water from the roots to the different parts of the plant. Leaves. We make food from the plant with the help of sunlight, air and water. We grew from the stem. Flower. I grow from the stem of the plants. So, the parts of the plant are, that is a root, stem, fruit, flower and leaf. Uses of plant. Plants gives a food like fruits, vegetable, pulses and grains. Some plants are used for decoration. Some plants can be used to make medicine. Birds can build nest on the trees. Plants gives wood from which is used to make furniture, table, chair. Oil. We get oil from the seed of plants like mustard and sunflower. We also get oil from the fruits of the plants like oily and the coconut. The leaves from the some plants like eucalyptus are crushed to get oil. Fibers. We get fibers from plants like cotton and jute. Fibers are thin threads. We make cloth, paper, and rope from the fibers. Wood. Wood from tree such as a teak, mahogany, and rosewood is used to make a furniture. We make doors, windows, beds, boxes, and even toys from wood. Dry parts. Dry parts of some plants are used to add flavor to food. These are called spices. Medicines. Some plants are used to make medicine. For example, we can use tulsi leaves and eucalyptus oil to cure common cold and cough. Turmeric paste is used to heal wounds. Perfumes and soaps. Flowers of some plants such as a rose and jasmine are used to make a perfume and soap. Sandalwood oil is also used to make perfumes. Paper, rubber and gum. Paper is made up of bamboo bark. Rubber is obtained from rubber plant to make tires, pipes and eraser. Ninth chapter, that is the world of plants. Warm up. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names. See here, it is a P-E-A-R, pear, lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, nut, N-U-T, nut, tomato, T-O-M-A-O, tomato, smash, that is a S-P-I-N, ACH. Now complete the sentence below the forming a word with the first letter of names. Just complete. So first one is P. So all these product comes from P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Look ahead. Here what we are learning here, types of plant, parts of the plant and uses of a plants. Types of a plants. Here it is a types of plant, that is a 5 types. That is a clamber, herbs, that is a shrubs, then herbs, then one, that is a trees, and this is what? Creepers. The 5 types of plants, that is a clambers, shrubs, herbs, trees and creepers. What mean by the clambers? This is a clamber tree. This is a money plant. See, money plant tree. This is a clamber. Yes, no? So, what this one? Some plants have weak. They are weak stems. Hence, they climb on other plant for support. They are climbing other plant to support. They are called clambers. Example, money plant, green peas and grapevine are clambers. Now shrubs. What mean by the shrub? Short plants with the woody. The short plants are there and woody sticks are there. So what are called as shrubs? They are many branches. They have many branches. And what? Cotton and tea are shrubs. Example, cotton and tree. That it is a tree. Tea are shrubs. Now here it is a herbs. Herbs what? The plants with the soft green stems are called herbs. The greens are, that is the leaves are very soft. Then stem is green color. So plants with the soft green stems are called herbs. Grasses, mint and coriander are herbs. That is an example of herbs. Tall, big and strong plants are called trees. They have a tall, broad are there and woody stem. How it is? Stems are woody. Then called trunks. They have many branches, so many branches. Oak, neem and banyan are example of trees. Now creepers. What mean by creepers? These are creepers. So creepers are there are some plants with weak stems grow along the ground, they are called creepers. That is a pumpkin, watermelon, butter ground are creepers. So this is a creepers. They are growing on the ground only. Parts of a plant. Many parts of the plant are roots, stem, leaf, flower and fruits. So here it is a root. Root what is doing? Holds the plant on the ground. Fruit. This is a fruit and this is a stem. Gives support to the plants. This is a support to the plant. Leaf. Leaf what is they doing? Makes food from the plant. Flower. This is a flower. Now some plants grow in water. For example, lotus. Did you know a bamboo plant can grow 91 inches 91 centimeter in a day. It is known as be a faster growing woody plant. Plants. Plants gives us food like fruits, vegetable, pulses and grains. Some plants are used for decoration. Some plants can be used to make a medicine. Bird can build nest on trees. Plants gives wood which is used to make a furniture. First one, food from plants. We eat different parts of plants like leaves, stem, roots, seeds, flower and fruits. The part of the plants that we eat are further divided into different groups. Vegetables: onion, potato, cauliflower, radish, turnip, carrot, butter gourd and capsicum. So this is the vegetables. Now fruits: pears, mango, cherries, strawberry, watermelon, banana, apple, peach, grapes. Cereals, that is a wheat, rice, then barley and maize. This is a cereals. Then this is what? Vegetables. Here it is there and this is a fruits. Then little scientist, ginger and potato are stems. Pulses: kidney beans, pigeon beans, green grams, Bengal gram, red lettuce beans. Other food items from plants. Dried parts of some plants are used to added flavor to food. These are called spices. That is a cloves, coriander, black pepper. Oil. We get oil from the seeds of plants like mustard and sunflower. We also get oil from the fruits of plants like oily and coconut. The leaves from some plants like this is eucalyptus are crushed to get oil. Did you know? Raw coffee beans soaked in water and spices are chewed like a candy in many parts of Africa. Wood from trees such as teak, mahogany and rosewood is used to make furniture. We make doors, windows, beds, boxes and even toys from wood. We get fibers from plants like cotton and jute. Fibers are thin threads. We make a cloth, paper and wrap from the fibers. Medicine. Some plants are used to make a medicine. For example, we can use basil, that is a tulsi leaves, and eucalyptus oil to cure common cold and cough. Turmeric paste is used to heal wounds. Clove oil is used to toothpaste to cure toothache. Perfumes and soaps. Flowers of some plants such as a rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes and soaps. Sandalwood oil is also used to make perfumes. Paper, rubber and gums Paper is made up of bamboo bark. Rubber is obtained from rubber plant to make a tire, pipes and eraser. Gum is used to make a glue. What we learned? Plant. Different types of a plant. That is a trees, shrubs, clamber, herbs and creepers. Parts of the plant. Flower, fruits, seed, leaf, stem, root. Uses of plants. Food, wood, fibers, medicines, perfumes and soap, paper, rubber and gum. Evaluate things you know. First, A. Strike out the incorrect word. First one, clambers cannot stand straight because they have strong or weak stem. That is a strong stem is wrong. So, that is the clambers are weak stems. Branches grow on stems. The branches grow on stems. That is a leaves. No, branches grow on stems only. So, root. Third one, root of plants grow under the ground. The roots of plants grow under the ground, not fruits. Eucalyptus oil is made up from the leaves, roots of the eucalyptus plants. That is the leaves only. Roots is wrong. The flower of rubber, jasmine, is used to make a perfume. So jasmine is used to make a perfume. So the rubber is wrong. True or false? B1. Wheat, rice and barley are food grains. Yes, true. Grasses, meat and coriander are shrubs. No, that is a herb. So it is a false. Rubber is obtained from the rubber plant to make a tires, pipes and eraser. Yes, true. Wood is used for perfumes. No, false. The jute fibers is used to make a rope. Yes, rope nice. That is a thread nice. That is a true. Correct. See, look at some of plants that is a parts of the plant we eat. Fill in the blanks with the correct letter to find out the names. Plants and which part of a plants do we eat? Potato and sugar cane stems. What we are eating? It is a plants. So which part plants we are eating? Potato and sugar, that is a stems. Then carrot and radish, that is a roots. Then cauliflower and broccoli, that is a flowers. Cabbage and lettuce see, that is a leaves. Corn and rice, that is a seeds. D1, answer in a one or a two words. What are the plants with the woody stems called? That is a shrubs. Name a plants with a soft stem, that is a herb. Third one, these types of plants have the branches that spread out and give shadow. Give shadow means what? That is a tree only. Fourth one, name two trees that gives us wood. That is a teak and rosewood. Then this is what? Answer in a sentence. So, E1 answer in a sentence. First one is, what is the difference between a shrub and herb? Shrub means short plants with the woody stems are called as shrubs. Herbs means plants with the soft green stem are called as herbs. Name the main parts of plants. The main parts of plants are leaf, flower, fruit, stem and root. The third one, how do clambers grow? Clambers climb on other plants for support. Clambers climb on other plants for support. Fourth one, what do we get from plants? So plants gives us food like fruits, vegetable, pulses and grains. They can use to make medicine plants also. The plants also give wood, which is used to make a furniture.